Hello everyone, today I will be making Aurora nail art using Born Pretty extension nail gel and Born Pretty Aurora liquid powder. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first, make sure to trim, file, and buff your nails, and then apply a thin layer of base coat and then cure for 60 seconds.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
So I will be using Born Pretty non-stick hand clear extension nail gel. And I will be using a nail form. Nail form is unnecessary, so you can choose to use it or not use it. But in this case, I will be using it. Next is apply extension nail gel on the tips mold. Apply the gel on the root of the tips mold, and then it's an optional. You can mix it with nail sequins or flowers, or you can leave it as the way it is. In this case, I will be mixing it with the nail sequins. Born Pretty non-stick hand extension nail gel, it is solid and not sticky, so you don't need a slip solution to form the nail gel on your nail form. Born Pretty non-stick hand extension nail gel also can be used as a glue gel to apply rhinestones.
When I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? And 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 will you get bored of killing me? But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster.
Next is put the tips mold with gel on your fingernails and then cure for 60 seconds. Repeat the same process to the other nails. As we all know, February is romantic month, which is good time to show love to our loved ones. As Valentine's Day is around the corner, Born Pretty prepared some surprises for you. Born Pretty official store is holding a Valentine's Day event from February 6 to February 14, up to 20% off site-wide sale. You have to use the code VDAY20 to get 20% off. So make sure to check the link below.
Pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster.
Remove the tips mold
Under my bed, thinking something out of my
and then shape the nails and then apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So I am using a regular top coat because I will be applying Born Pretty Aurora liquid powder.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Next is I will be applying Born Pretty Aurora liquid powder. I am using Born Pretty Aurora liquid powder shade number 4. It comes with 6 different shades. Shake the Aurora Chrome liquid powder before using to make the liquid more even, and then apply Aurora Chrome liquid powder on your base color. And then rub it evenly with fingers. Do the same process to the other nails. Aurora liquid powder should be applied on top coat and no wipe top coat or chrome powder top coat. Aurora liquid powder couldn't be applied on super top coat easily because it is too smooth, so super top coat is not recommended. So do not use super top coat when applying Aurora liquid powder. It is important to shake the bottle before using because Aurora Chrome liquid powder will sink to the bottom easily after a while. So it is suggested that shaking it before using to make the liquid more even. Repeat the same process twice to make the effect more perfect. So apply Aurora Chrome liquid powder on your base color. Aurora nails are the latest manicure trend from South Korea. It is inspired by the Northern Lights. Born Pretty Aurora Chrome liquid powder is the easiest way to make Aurora nails to get the Aurora nails chrome effect. And then rub it evenly with fingers. After rubbing it, you can see the chrome effect of the Aurora liquid powder. It is so pretty and shiny. Next is apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh,
and finish. So the color may vary, depends on the light of the environment. So I made a video inside the house with the lights on. So this is inside the house with the light on. And then I also made a video outside. This is what it looks like. Look at the color. It is very pretty and sparkly. So make sure to check the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.